Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Cloak researched and available, equip it to the unit, or enable it in the city. Once done, spend the energy resource to trigger the effect immediately and move the unit into cover if you plan to reposition. Make sure to close nearby fog gaps so concealment isn't wasted on already visible tiles. This preserves duration. Don't delay. Activate as soon as enemies are out of direct line of sight to maximize the first turn of stealth. You now focus on sustaining the cloak while advancing your objective. Move sparingly. Short hops preserve concealment, whereas long moves risk detection, so prefer stealth terrain and stay behind obstacles. Once done, angle your unit's path to flank or secure objectives while allied scouts probe ahead. This gives you actionable intel without breaking cloak. Make sure to track the remaining duration and enemy sensor ranges. Retreat or swap to another cloaked unit before you finish by resolving exposures and securing escapes. If the cloak breaks, immediately withdraw the unit to a fortified tile or behind friendly forces. Do not trade blows without backup. Next, deploy a masking ability like smoke or a decoy to buy time, and redeploy a fresh cloaked unit to re-establish stealth pressure. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to keep a dedicated escape route and a spare cloaked unit ready so you can recover momentum within 1 or 2 turns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.